we're about to get what's called informal presentation, which is the ability for an applicant to present to us informally a project that they're interested in doing and what they would like from us. We have our experts here this evening listening along as they speak, and an opportunity for the public to address, ask questions, and make comments, and for the board to discuss and make comments. Regarding the actual potential application, at this point there is no application before us. This is just an informal presentation for us to be aware of an application that will be coming down the pipe possibly at some point, potentially at some point I should say, and obviously the various experts will have to do their due diligence and work accordingly, and then it will be with appropriate public hearings, etc., that are needed, and through us and then the council. So,
Township's professional planner is here also to our right, and
actually, correction, he is the planning board's planner. He's our planner.
I apologize. Yes.
No apologies. I just want to clarify for the record.
And the applicant's attorney is here. Maybe he can come and give. More.
Mr. Price, is somebody else here with additional to you? Is that correct?
Can you mention your attorney's name, please?
1 second.
Yes, we also have Chuck Oliva from Stonefield Engineering, who's the board's traffic engineer, because there will be some presentation related to traffic. And we'd like to hear that, obviously, the board and...
We'll have public comments and then you'll wait.
Right, just one other thing in terms of public participation. This evening is an opportunity, if all goes well and the board is favorably disposed to moving forward with this, they would direct our firm to prepare a master plan amendment. There would be a public hearing, opportunity for the public to comment, and if the council decided to take it up, there would be a rezoning, there'd be an introduction by the council, we'd send it back to the board, there'd be a public hearing at that point, and then second reading, there would be a public hearing, another opportunity for the public to comment, and then finally, if that is all done, the applicant would come back to this board for a site plan application, notice would be given, public participation, and all the experts and all of the studies would be.
So in addition to the informal tonight, there's at least 4 more public opportunities to present to the public to speak in.
Right. And this is very consistent with how the board has handled these requests before. Mr. Chairman, I've been sitting here, I've been taking notes, I've been listening to board comments as well as the public's comments. I don't have any questions myself. I did listen to the experts that provided testimony, and if the board would like us to move forward, we'd be very interested in receiving in written form the studies that they've done that would assist us in making sure that this project is feasible, that we know what the impacts are, and those can be included in consideration, both master plan and in the zoning, and then ultimately in site plan approval.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, as we had discussed, they would be appropriate, even though it's informal, to give some positive reaction. That a resolution that the professional planner for the board, the traffic engineer, and our office work together to effectuate an amendment to the Teaneck master plan to address and permit this type of multifamily dwelling. If there was some type of indication from the board to that to move forward with your team, that's what I would recommend.
Okay, and I just want to be clear, when it comes to the planner regarding cost and expenses, stuff like that, in general, those, I just have to put on the record, I know you know, but that just board members know, the public know that all costs and expenses are down to towns, but AvalonBay will be taking care of all the bills accordingly. Can you just say that correct for the record?
That is correct, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Okay, so I just asked if we make a motion for that resolution.
I'll second that.
With the cost. Motion by Mr. Vice Chair Brower, second by Mr. Rose. Roll call, please. Hold on. Any discussion on the motion? Seeing no discussion, roll call.
Mr. Rose?
Yes.
Ms. Jones?
Yes.
Councilmember Swartz?
Yes.
Vice Chair Brower?
Yes.
Ms. Coleman?
Yes.
Mr. Kaplan?
Yes.
Mrs.
Captain Conquest?
Is that any left? You had to go.
Chair Gardner?
Mr. Zahn? Yes. Mark, just do it out loud so we have the record. It's just a future. And yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, good luck. We'll be seeing you again.
Yes.